Okay, so what if we bump it up a notch and instead of having the absolute value of x be equal to 12, we're going to have the absolute value of x plus 2 be equal to 12. We do it pretty much the same way. We just think of the x plus 2 as being one quantity. So what number can this whole chunk be in order to have an absolute value that equals 12? Well, actually there's two of them, because there are two numbers that are 12 units away from 0. What are those two numbers? 12 and negative 12. So this x plus 2, the thing inside the absolute value, could equal 12, or x plus 2 could be equal to negative 12. Then if I want to solve for x, we subtract 2 from both sides and get x equals 10, or subtract 2 from both sides, x equals negative 14. So there's two values that x could be to make this have an absolute value that equals 12. Let's check it. If I put 10 in for x, the absolute value of 10 plus 2 equals the absolute value of 12, which equals 12. So sure enough, if I put 10 in place of x, I get 12. If I put negative 14 back in for x, it'll look like this. The absolute value of negative 14 plus 2, which is the absolute value of negative 12. And the absolute value of negative 12 is just plain 12. So sure enough, that works also. Did I get too low?